Video title: 10 Ingenious Strategies to Monetize Your Blog and Live the Life You Desire. Video description: Welcome to our video on 10 Ingenious Strategies to Monetize Your Blog and Live the Life You Desire. In this video, we will explore a variety of clever and effective methods for turning your blog into a profitable venture. Monetizing your blog can open the doors to financial independence and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, these strategies will help you take your blog to the next level and turn it into a lucrative online business. So, if you're ready to unleash the full earning potential of your blog, keep watching. Keywords: blog monetization, blogging for profit, profitable blog, make money blogging, monetizing strategies. Intro. Background music fades in. Voiceover: Welcome to our channel, where we help you unlock the secrets to a successful blog. In today's video, we'll be diving into the realm of blog monetization. If you've ever dreamed of earning a significant income from your passion for writing, this video is for you. We have compiled 10 ingenious strategies that will help you turn your blog into a profitable business. So, let's dive right in. Background music transitions. 1. Affiliate marketing. Voiceover: Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to monetize your blog. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through unique affiliate links, you earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral. This strategy allows you to align your blog with relevant products and services your audience may be interested in, earning you a steady stream of passive income. 2. Sponsored posts. Voiceover: Sponsored posts involve collaborating with brands and writing content that promotes their products or services. In exchange for your influence and audience reach, these brands compensate you. Ensure that the sponsored content aligns with your blog's niche and maintains authenticity to preserve the trust of your readers. 3. Digital products and ebooks. Voiceover: Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content can be a highly profitable strategy. Leverage your expertise and knowledge to develop valuable resources that solve a problem or fulfill a need for your audience. These digital products can provide a passive income stream and establish you as an authority in your niche. 4. Membership or subscription services. Voiceover: Offering premium content, exclusive resources, or a membership community can be an excellent way to monetize your blog on an ongoing basis. By providing added value to your most dedicated readers through a paid membership or subscription model, you can provide a sense of exclusivity and build a loyal community of supporters. 5. Display advertising. Voiceover: Display advertising involves placing ads on your blog, either directly through ad networks like Google AdSense or by selling ad space to specific brands. This strategy allows you to earn money based on the number of impressions, views, or clicks the ads receive. However, it's important to find the right balance between ads and user experience to avoid overwhelming your audience. Outro. Voiceover. And there you have it, 10 ingenious strategies to monetize your blog and live the life you desire. Each of these approaches offers unique opportunities to turn your blog into a revenue-generating machine. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, digital products, membership services, or display advertising, the key is to experiment, adapt, and stay persistent on your journey towards blogging success. So, go ahead and implement these strategies and start building the profitable blog you've always dreamed of. Background music fades out. In summary, this video sheds light on 10 ingenious strategies to monetize your blog and achieve the lifestyle you desire. From affiliate marketing to display advertising, there are various ways to make money from your blog. By leveraging these strategies, you can turn your passion for blogging into a lucrative online business. So, get ready to take your blogging journey to new heights.